Let's review what we've just covered. So mass number, which is also the atomic mass, is equal to the number of protons plus the number of neutrons, or A equals Z plus N. Other things to note is in a neutral atom that the number of protons equals the number of electrons. And also that the atomic number, which is in the top left-hand corner on this periodic table, equals the number of protons. Okay, so we've got a small excerpt of a periodic table here. Let's complete the table at the bottom. So firstly, we're looking for boron, and boron is over here. So the chemical symbol for boron is B. The atomic number is in that top left-hand corner, so that is 5. The atomic mass is 10.811, so that rounds up to approximately 11. Therefore, our number of protons, which is equal to our atomic number, is 5. It's a neutral atom, so our electrons equal the number of protons, which is 5. Our neutrons is going to be equal to our atomic mass minus the number of protons, so that's going to be 11 take 5, which is 6. So we have 5 protons, 5 electrons, and 6 neutrons. Now let's look at aluminium, which is actually just below boron. So for aluminium, our symbol is Al. The atomic number, top left-hand corner, is 13. The atomic mass is 26.982, so approximately 27. So our number of protons equals our atomic number, which is 13. Our number of electrons is the same as our protons, so 13. Our number of neutrons is going to be our atomic mass minus our number of protons, so that's going to be 27 minus 13, which is equal to 14. So we have 13 protons, 13 electrons, and 14 neutrons. Now you should pause the video and try and do potassium yourself. Okay, so hopefully you've done it. Potassium is over on the left-hand side, over here. So the symbol for potassium is K. The atomic number for potassium is 19. The atomic mass is 39.098, so approximately 39. So our number of protons equals our atomic number, so that's 19. Our number of electrons equals our number of protons, neutral atom. Our number of neutrons is going to equal our atomic mass minus the number of protons, so that's going to be 39 minus 19, which is 20. So we have 19 protons, 19 electrons, and 20 neutrons. Now you may be wondering why the atomic mass isn't a whole number, and the reason is because it's a weighted average of all the naturally occurring isotopes of the element relative to the mass of carbon-12. Now I don't want to go into detail with this now because we'll cover isotopes further in this module, but just note that you can have different numbers of neutrons. So it's the same element, it has exactly the same number of protons, and that's the key. The number of protons determines what element we have, but there may be different numbers of neutrons. So it's exactly the same element, it may just be a lighter or heavier version of that element. But we will cover that more under isotopes.